'78 T-Bird with only 28,000 miles on it. Wow.
Really, you don't have anybody else knocking your door now. If you did, you'd say the hell of it. Look how nice that thing is. Yeah, I know. I was going to look.
I like the trunk treatment.
Is there any way to see how much it's sold for?
That's cool. We know this car. This is the '49 Kaiser Traveler.
Pretty much exactly what the S.
Wow. Showed up here. Well, it did sell dealer to dealer at the other auction. So let's see if the dealer made any money on this girl. That would be interesting. Ah, he locked it. No, there it is. Okay, interior. I just love this car. It's really cool. He knows how to show it off. Smart sedan to pickup van in 10 seconds. At your dealers, $2,088. Nice. Look at the size of that hinge. Kaiser. Yes, it is an American car. The '72 Javelin. Very, very polarizing style. But it was made for the super speedways, as slippery as possible. They wanted something which really would go. And the thing is, you had the speed, but you didn't have the aerodynamics. This gave you the aerodynamics. Javelin. SST. Very, very interesting. It would have been great if AMC stuck to the original guns of plan of filling in the gaps of the big three. Just imagine if they would have really built up their Rambler American. They had the SC, commonly known as the Scrambler, just for 1 year. Imagine when everything came out, they pulled that off back with the Rambler American. Little '57 Bird. Really rough around the edges. Automatic. Oh, this girl is in sad shape. She really is. Let's see what it went for, shall we? Sure, why not?